Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a Glossier unboxing while I eat the best snacks in the world. I've nearly finished them. I discovered these in Sainsbury's. They're so good. They're only 80p. I don't know what they're called, but I'm going to have them in my description box down below if you want to try them out. They're a mix. They taste of What's It, but without like the cheesy flavour. So if you like kind of like air puffed chips, like crisps, that kind of thing, then I think you'll love these. They're so good. I think I eat like, I don't know, I eat like 3 packets a week. Literally anytime I go to Sainsbury's I'm buying a packet of these because they're so good. Anyway, to see the products that I got from Glossier, make sure you keep on watching. But before you do anything else, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends. I'm loving all of the subscribers that I've been getting recently. Thank you guys so much for watching all my videos. It means so much. I hope you enjoy watching this one. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. These are so good, I swear. These are so good. If you find yourself in Sainsbury's, make sure you pick them up. They're so addictive and they're only 80p. Okay, but back to my unboxing. This is not actually the first time I've ordered from Glossier. I've actually ordered from them in the past. So I think two years ago, I actually ordered their moisturizer. It's like their priming moisturizer rich, I think it was called. I really liked it. I feel like there were some pros and some cons to it. If you want to read my review on that, then make sure you check out the links down below in my description box. I have a blog post on it. If you want to check out my blog by alicexo.com, then you can find out what I thought about that moisturizer. Since then I've not bought anything from Glossier. I'm watching them grow. They've now branched out from skincare solely and they've moved on to makeup, which is where you guys found me today. One of my co-workers actually recommended this specific product I'm going to be showing you guys today in this unboxing, so thanks for that, Megan. So yeah, I feel like let's just get straight into the unboxings. Like I've said, I've ordered from Glossier before in the past. I've just opened the box. It came in this cute box. As always, all of Glossier's products always come in this really cute pink, like, I don't know what you would call this. It's like a kind of bubble wrap bag. I have one of these bags already that I use as my kind of weekend toiletry bag when I'm like going away on holiday or staying at my boyfriend's house. I like to just put all of my like toiletries into this bag. That bag has since like it's ripped literally on its last legs, but I still use it anyway because it's great. It's like very portable and easy to use, so I'm glad that I've finally got a new bag. I think all of Glossier's things are just so great in terms of like their packaging is really spot on, which I really like. But anyway, enough blabbing on and let's just get straight into the products. So I picked up 3 things. Glossier have this thing where if you buy a product you can get a sample. I didn't know that they did that, but you guys know how much I love my samples, so obviously I had to get a sample. So I got the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum. This is one of their latest products that's come out. It gives you an instant dewy glow that lasts. It also delivers serious skincare benefits thanks to nourishing oils and brightening plant-based extracts. So it's your skin but glowier. I love that. You know, it's winter time now. You want your skin to be like more like dewy and glowy and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I think I'll most probably have a blog post on this and maybe a video on this, so let me know if you want to see that down below. I'm gonna take a quick snack break. I'm so hungry. Also, it is like 7. It's like 20 past 7. Really so good. So yeah, Just come back from work. Okay, so the two products that I got were the, drum roll please, so I got the Glossier Cloud Paints. These are blushes. I think they're one of like Glossier's like oldest products, so definitely this is nothing new. You've probably, like, if you're into makeup, you've probably even like tried these products. Anyway, but I got these, as you guys have seen in some of my older videos. I'm very into blush. I love blush. I think kind of right now, out of all of my makeup, I love mascara and blush. So any chance to try out some blush products, hit me up. So Glossier over Black Friday, I can't remember what their offer was. I think it was like 33% off sets, like 25% off individual products. These two came as a set, so I got 33% off on these. I got Storm and Haze. To pick the colours, there are actually 3 colours that I wanted to try, but I decided to just get 2 in the set to see how I like them, and then if I do like them, then I will get the 3rd colour that I really want to get. I looked at what the darkest skin model, what she had on her cheeks and how I liked those. As you can see now, I've got like a bit of a red. I look a bit orange on camera, but my cheeks are kind of red, so I do like that dark red, like a deep burgundy pinky red. I like to wear that on my cheeks, and these kind of looked like that. I've just taken this out of the packaging. It's so cute. I think packaging is really so much. How do I get this out? All right, that was easy. They're quite small tubes. This is only 10 milliliters. My co-worker did say that even though they're really small, they last a long time because you don't really need that much. Literally so cute. Even though it's even though it's literally like 7:30 right now, I'm just going to try a little bit and then maybe I'll wear this tomorrow. It has a protective seal on it. I don't know if I should open it. Do you know what? Let me open it and then I'll swatch it. And then I'll have another video, like a morning routine video, where you can see me actually like use it. So it says to just put like a small bit on. I don't even know what colour this is. I would say this is kind of like a pink colour. I don't even have a mirror. I didn't expect to do this. This is a bit too much. Ooh, do you know what? I really like that. Can you see it on camera? I think you can see it already on camera. I would obviously blend this out. If I was going to work, I would blend this out. But yeah, I don't know if you can see. I like it. It's kind of like a deep red. It looks like I've just been like running or something. Like, it's very nice. I really like this. This is really nice. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see. The light's a bit like intense. Can you see? I really like it. I think it's so pretty. So what colour is that? That was Storm. I'm also going to have a blog post on this and another video where you can see these products like up close and a bit better on my face. So don't worry if you can't see anything in this video. But even I can't see it that well because the light's not that good in here. Yeah, it's kind of like a pinky like colour. I would love this colour on my lips. This is really cute. It's like a nice faint kind of pink. I really like this. I think that Storm is going to be my favourite colour because I just love it. Ugh, it's so cute. And then next up I also have Haze. Haze was more of like a bright pink, kind of almost like a fuchsia, look like that on the model. Normally I would not really go for something that bright, but I loved how the model wore it and I figured that I could always just wear it but like not put on as much. It won't be as bright if I want like more of a natural finish. So this also had the seal on it. I just peeled it off. So it looks like a raspberry colour. It looks very raspberry. So I'm just gonna like pop this. You can see there on my cheek. Let's see how this, let me get a mirror. Let's see how this blends out. Do you know what? I think I even prefer this. You can't really see it that well. Ooh, but I feel like overall you can see such a difference. I'm gonna film a proper trying on of these in like the daylight, in the daytime, and not with all these artificial lights. so you can properly see, because on my hand, I don't know if you can actually even see. So this one here is HAZE. It's a bit faint and pink. This one is HAZE and this one is Storm. I love these so much. Wow. I'm so excited. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow when I go to work. I absolutely love these. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Make sure you stay tuned to my blog. Make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. Make sure you stay tuned to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be sharing a lot more of these products in the next coming weeks. You don't want to miss that out. This is my first time using Glossier makeup. So far, I love it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out my blog by alicexo.com. Make sure you check out my Instagram account, DAP_by AliceXO. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay.